Good day everyone. How are you doing today? As everyone knows that the cryptocurrency market is a market that has the potential to develop. Anyone can overcome various problems in this market with real and comprehensive solutions, such as those offered by Stobox Exchange, an exchange platform that provides full access to the world of cryptocurrency and digital assets. Stobox Exchange is more targeting coin launched by traditional businesses so that they can get the best platform that can meet their needs in the crypto world. With Stobox Exchange, users, especially non crypto professionals, can get long term investment opportunities in digital assets on a reliable and trusted exchange platform. Imagine that you are a beginner who is just getting to know cryptocurrency for the first time and is interested in being able to invest in this market. But the problem is you don't have a good grip in the cryptocurrency market. You are still confused about which digital assets is the best and the potential that can offer high returns. This kind of problem is what Stobox Exchange wants to solve, which is a trusted and reliable exchange platform that allows users, especially non-crypto investors, to be able to invest in digital assets that offer long-term investment opportunities. The Stobox Exchange provides users with full access to the world of cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Users can access various digital assets on the Stobox Exchange platform and invest immediately through the user-friendly application interface. Users don't need to worry about the security and regulation of the Stobox Exchange because Stobox Exchange has a verified reputation and is subjected to international rules and regulation. So, users can feel safe and comfortable when using the platform. On the Stobox Exchange, user can access various features which can maximize their profit regardless of whether they are professionals or beginners in crypto. Users can use the service easily through a user-friendly interface. But not only that, there are still several other features provided by Stobox Exchange, such as one of the features is trading functionality. The trading platform provided by Stobox Exchange has several features which are very helpful for traders. For example, such as minimum orders, markets and limits and others. Another feature is identity verification. Investor must pass the KYC, that is know your customer, and upgrades to gold level to be able to use various features of the Stobox Exchange to its full potential. The Regard program is one of the features of Stobox. Users can increase their activity and share their referral link to get rewards. The more activity and referral friends from users, the higher the ranking and the amount of rewards they get. You can know about Stobox successful projects. Stobox Exchange provides a section where users can view the most successful project, which can encourage investors to invest in digital assets. Not only that, you can also know about their upcoming projects. Stobox Exchange provides a section that lists upcoming project along with the characteristics of the number of investors who have joined the project. The investment process on the Stobox Exchange is very simple. Even users only need to go through one step to be able to invest. Community feed is one of the features of Stobox. Stobox Exchange provides a community feed that contains various information relevant to the project. Many non-crypto users still have difficulty investing in the cryptocurrency market. Sometimes they get scammed when investing in a project or digital assets. And this makes investors finally give up investing in the cryptocurrency market. Stobox Exchange exists as a trustworthy and reliable exchange platform, which allows users to invest in various projects and digital assets that have long-term investment opportunities. Starbucks Exchange provides users full access to the world of cryptocurrency and digital assets and allows them to invest more easily through a user-friendly interface. Are you ready to invest in the future of crypto? So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity is here in front of you. Grab it and become a part of this incredible project. Thank you all.